Whether it is to improve the look of your home exterior or to simply score it, external gates are the best bet depending on the architectural design of the property. There are numerous options to choose from. One such model, which is known for its versatile function and elegant looks, is a folding gate design, a modern day invention. This style is slowly gaining popularity with many homeowners. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. In this channel, I bring a lot of videos about home decor ideas. Please keep watching the videos, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Also hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. The biggest advantages of having this type of gate for your outdoors is its effective space utilization. No matter how big or small the entrance is, having foldable doors can give you better control over the access point. Let us get to know some of the best folding door design in this video, along with detailed information on the types and benefits. What is folding gate? It is a question. Answer is that, as the name suggests, it is a gate that is made with multiple doors attached to each other. Each individual panel folds into the other to make way. They are also called retractable gates and work well as space separators in the outdoor areas. What are the benefits of the folding gate? Let us take a quick look at the top advantages of foldable gate design. Flexibility. Folding gates can be operated in any way you want to restrict pedestrian entry. For large vehicle movement, you can push all the doors in and create more space. Ease of installation. The beauty of these gates is that they can be installed anywhere, irrespective of the terrain. Depending on the requirements, you can go for single or double, or even choose to go trackless. Durability. The material used for making them are known to resist even extreme weather conditions. They are rust proof and don't wear out easily. Choice of design. With the increased demand for these gates, designers are coming up with new pattern and colors theme to blend with the rest of the exterior decor. What are the different type of folding gate? There are many varieties of folding gates available in the market, which caters to different purposes. These models vary from the other in terms of the number of hanging or material used. Here are some of the common types of folding gate design to choose from. Wooden folding gate design. They are made with wooden doors which are specially treated to resist termites, mostly chosen for residential properties. Aluminum folding gate design ideas. These gates are made with the advantages of aluminum, a lightweight material. They suit both commercial space and homes as they come with the cost advantage. Steel folding gate design ideas. The doors are made with steel that bears a majestic look. They are ideal for industrial areas. PVC folding gates. They are perfect combination of beauty with functionality, made with synthetic polymers. The gate is both affordable and stylish. Point to consider before buying folding gates. Before making an investment on buy folding gate, we recommend you to follow these expert buying tips. Firstly, make a proper analysis of the suitability of the folding gate for your home. Measure the area thoroughly and understand how many doors you need in the design. If you have an uneven surface that cannot support a bottom track, you still can go to ahead with. Choose a material that comes with low maintenance and lasts long. You must check that the movement is free from noise and damage to the flooring. Along with functionality, you must also pay pattern attention to look of the gate. Experiment with stylish design that contribute to the overall aesthetic. Last but not the last, budget is of the top priority. So let your salesman know your limitation to narrow down on the right segment. I hope that you like these ideas. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and also hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. I am very thankful to all of those who watch my video at the very end because it is a great spot for me that viewers watching my video at the very end. Thanks again.